Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Chroma zoom transition effect on CapCut PC. Okay, select the photos or images you like to edit, and I'm showing 3 images here, and I'm just going to add animation, click animation, like combo animation, and I'm going to add this bubble animation and add to all the clip just for duration until 3.2 a full duration. And I'm just going to add effect, select the Chromo zoom, click add the track and make it shorter like so, and make sure I put between the clip, so between the clip, and copy paste, put in another clip here, and here we go. You can also add the sound effect or another audio here available. So just tap on play button to play the result. So this is the final effect you'll have on your video. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much.